Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at condensing an expanded logarithmic statement into a single logarithm. So we're going to take 4 log x minus 2 log 6 minus 1/2 log y. So the first thing I'm going to do with all 3 of these statements is go ahead and use the power rule to bring that number out in front of the logarithm inside as an exponent. So we have log of x to the 4th minus log of 6 squared minus log of y to the 1/2. So now, our next step is going to be, we have 2 things being subtracted here. I'm going to pull a fast one and make it so that we only have one thing getting subtracted here. So log of x to the 4th minus, and then I'm going to use parentheses here to say log of 6 squared plus log of y to the 1/2. So I'm in essence adding up everything that has a minus sign in front of that, so I'm only subtracting once. Well, now I can apply the product rule to what's inside of those parentheses. So I have log of x to the 4th minus log of 6 squared times y to the 1/2. I'll go ahead and do a little bit of cleaning up with that second statement here. So log of x to the 4th minus log, we know that 6 squared is 36, and we can rewrite y to the 1/2 as the square root of y. And now, finally, we can use the quotient rule here to say that this is equal to log of x to the 4th over 36 square root of y. So that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at one more property of logarithms. That's the ability to use logs of a different base to help us out.